bench down in Michigan. Over by the river, everything looks like Michigan. Big blue lake over around the bend. Well, I've been here before, and I don't think I wanna come back again. Going to the fireworks show, it's down on the beach. Johnny's in the front seat, she's taking the heat. 'Cause I felt it before, and it ended up bad. And you wake up some nights and you think it's coming back again. And my wife, she looks over at me, she knows I'm not right. But we're going to the fireworks down in Michigan tonight. Going to the fireworks show, it's down on the beach. And Johnny's in the front seat, she's taking the heat. I'm lying in the back with the emergency man. He's talking to me about some freaking rock band. And you know it feels good because it means that I am still alive. And the fireworks are going off in the Michigan sky. Going to the fireworks show, it's down on the beach. Jonah's in the front seat, she's taking the heat. Sometimes you don't know, and sometimes you don't wanna know. And sometimes you act like a jerk, 'cause you think your life's gonna go on forever. And you're sitting in the back and the man is smiling down at you. And Johnny can see the fireworks going off through the ambulance window. Going to the fireworks show, it's down on the beach. Johnny's in the front seat,